Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial topic that affects many of us, especially as we age: vitamins and dietary choices that impact our health. As we reach our golden years, the importance of our consumption becomes even more pronounced. Did you know that taking specific vitamins before bed can pose risks? For instance, fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K can accumulate in the body, leading to toxicity if taken in excess. It's essential to be mindful of when and how we take our supplements to avoid adverse effects. Now, let's talk about memory protection. Dietary choices play a significant role in maintaining cognitive function for individuals over 60. Foods rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins B, C, and E can help support brain health and potentially ward off memory-related issues. A balanced diet filled with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can make a difference. Moreover, we can't overlook kidney health, which is often a concern for older people. Many seniors unknowingly make common mistakes, such as excessive salt intake or insufficient water, which can strain their kidneys. Staying hydrated and being cautious about sodium levels in our diets is vital. By making informed dietary choices, we can protect not just our memory but also our overall health. So, stick around as we explore practical tips and insights to help you or your loved ones thrive in their later years. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Danger. You should never take these vitamins before going to bed. When it comes to winding down for the night, many people overlook the impact that specific vitamins can have on their sleep quality. Specifically, vitamins like B6 and C and specific multivitamins can disrupt sleep patterns and lead to insomnia. Vitamin B6, for instance, plays a crucial role in producing neurotransmitters like serotonin and melatonin, which regulate sleep. However, taking it too close to bedtime can interfere with your ability to fall asleep, leaving you tossing and turning. Vitamin C is another culprit that can keep you awake. While it's essential for immune function and overall health, high doses before bed can increase energy levels, making it harder to drift off. Additionally, many multivitamins contain a mix of B vitamins and other stimulating ingredients that can disrupt your sleep cycle if consumed at night. So, how do these vitamins affect your overall health? Poor sleep can lead to many issues, including weakened immunity, increased stress levels, and impaired cognitive function. It's crucial to prioritize restful sleep for your well-being. Consider magnesium or calcium if you're looking for safer alternatives before bedtime. Both minerals are known for their calming effects and can promote relaxation, making them ideal choices for nighttime supplementation. Herbal options like chamomile or valerian root can also be beneficial. Being mindful of your vitamin intake before bed ensures a more restful night and better overall health. Over age 60? Avoid these 6 foods to protect your memory. Maintaining cognitive health becomes increasingly important as we age, especially for those over 60. Certain foods can negatively impact memory and cognitive function, so being mindful of what's on your plate is essential. First on the list are processed sugars. These sweeteners can lead to inflammation and insulin resistance, linked to cognitive decline. Next, we have trans fats, commonly found in fried foods and baked goods. These unhealthy fats can disrupt brain function and are associated with an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease. Excessive alcohol consumption is another significant factor that can impair memory. While moderate drinking may have some benefits, overindulgence can lead to brain fog and long-term cognitive issues. Additionally, highly processed foods, often containing additives and preservatives, can harm brain health. Lastly, refined carbohydrates, like white bread and pastries, can cause spikes in blood sugar, negatively affecting your mental clarity. So, what can you eat instead? Healthier alternatives include berries packed with antioxidants that support brain health. Nuts, particularly walnuts, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for cognitive function. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are also excellent choices, as they contain vital nutrients that promote brain health. Emphasizing a balanced diet filled with whole, nutrient-dense foods is crucial for maintaining cognitive health as we age. Avoiding these 6 harmful foods and opting for healthier options can help protect your memory and enhance your overall well-being. Vitamins to heal kidney and repair kidney damage. Specific vitamins and nutrients are vital in maintaining kidney health and repairing damage. One of the most important is vitamin D. This nutrient not only supports bone health but also helps regulate calcium and phosphorus levels in the body, which are crucial for kidney function. Adequate vitamin D levels can reduce the risk of kidney disease and improve overall kidney health. Another key player is omega-3 fatty acids, commonly found in fatty fish like salmon and walnuts. These healthy fats have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the kidneys, promoting better function and potentially aiding in the repair of damaged tissues. Studies suggest that omega-3s can also lower the risk of chronic kidney disease by improving blood flow and reducing proteinuria, a condition characterized by excess protein in the urine. Antioxidants, such as vitamins C and E, are also essential for kidney health. They help combat oxidative stress, which can damage kidney cells and impair their function. Foods rich in antioxidants, like berries, nuts, and green leafy vegetables, can provide these beneficial nutrients and support kidney repair. While incorporating these vitamins and nutrients into your diet can be beneficial, consulting with healthcare providers for personalized advice is crucial. Each individual's health needs are unique, and a healthcare professional can help tailor a plan that best supports kidney health. By focusing on these essential nutrients, you can take proactive steps toward healing and maintaining your kidney function. Doctors warn of 2 major mistakes by the elderly. Maintaining health and well-being as we age becomes increasingly essential. However, many older adults unknowingly make common mistakes that can negatively impact their health. 2 significant pitfalls are neglecting hydration and skipping meals. First, let's talk about hydration. Many seniors may not feel thirsty and drink less water than necessary. This can result in dehydration, which can cause fatigue, confusion, and even kidney problems. Staying adequately hydrated is crucial for maintaining energy levels and supporting overall bodily functions. The second mistake is skipping meals. Some older adults may think eating less will help them manage their weight, but this can lead to nutrient deficiencies and decreased energy. Skipping meals can also affect blood sugar levels, leading to dizziness and mood swings. Proper nutrition is essential for maintaining muscle mass, cognitive function, and overall health. To avoid these pitfalls, it's essential to establish a routine. Set reminders to drink water throughout the day, aiming for at least 8 glasses. Incorporating hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables can also help. When it comes to meals, try to eat smaller, more frequent meals rather than large ones. This can help maintain energy levels and ensure you get the nutrients your body needs. Additionally, consider meal prepping or planning to make healthy eating easier. By being mindful of hydration and nutrition, older adults can significantly improve their health and well-being, leading to a more vibrant and active lifestyle. You cannot heal your kidney if you eat these foods before bed. What you eat before bedtime can significantly impact your recovery and overall function regarding kidney health. Certain foods can hinder kidney healing, and awareness of them is essential. High-sodium snacks, such as chips and pretzels, are among the top offenders. Excessive sodium can lead to fluid retention and increased blood pressure, putting additional strain on your kidneys. Processed meats, like sausages and deli meats, are another food group to avoid at night. These meats are often loaded with preservatives and sodium, which can further compromise kidney function. Additionally, sugary desserts, including cakes and candies, can spike blood sugar levels and contribute to obesity, a risk factor for kidney disease. The combination of high sugar and unhealthy fats can lead to inflammation, making it harder for your kidneys to heal. So, what can you snack on instead? Opt for healthier evening options that support kidney health. Fresh fruits like apples or berries are excellent choices, as they are low in potassium and packed with antioxidants. Unsalted nuts, such as almonds or walnuts, provide healthy fats and protein without the harmful additives in processed snacks. Vegetable sticks with hummus or a small serving of whole grain crackers can also be satisfying alternatives. Choosing these healthier snacks can help support your kidney function and promote healing. Remember, being mindful of your evening food choices is crucial for better kidney health and overall well-being. We've explored some critical aspects of health and nutrition for older people, highlighting the dangers of specific vitamins and foods that can negatively impact well-being. For example, we discussed how taking specific vitamins before bed, such as B6 and vitamin C, can disrupt sleep patterns and lead to insomnia. Additionally, we identified 6 foods to avoid, including processed sugars, trans fats, and excessive alcohol, which can hinder memory and cognitive function. The key takeaway is the importance of making informed dietary choices and being mindful of your consumption, especially as you age, which can significantly improve your overall health and well-being. Incorporating nutrient-rich foods and avoiding harmful options can help protect your kidneys, support cognitive function, and enhance your quality of life. We encourage you to take these insights to heart and consider how small changes in your diet can lead to significant health benefits. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. Remember to like this video and share it with friends and family who may also benefit from these critical discussions. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content that can make a difference in the lives of others. Thank you for watching, and remember, your health is your wealth. Make informed choices.